Well, Growers Edge, I think, has made us more money by allowing me to survey the local bids that I'm in the area that I want to sell my grain. The local elevators and the ethanol plants know that this information is out there, so they've got to be competitive if they want to get the grain. You know, we've been able to maximize our return on our farm.
Good afternoon, welcome to GrainTV. It's January 21st, 2014. I'm Logan Burgess. To my right here is Cody Bills to help break down the trade action that we saw here Tuesday, one day after Martin Luther King Day holiday break. Let's jump into the quotes here and see where the grains ended. Corn picking up 1 penny. Last trade here was at $4.25. Soybeans, the big talk of today's action, trading down 36 cents. Last trade here was at $12.80 and a half. Very quiet day in wheat in contrast to soybeans. Down a penny and change in Chicago, off 2 cents in Kansas City. Cody, you know, a lot of people were talking about precipitation out of South America kind of driving the soybean market. Let's take a look here at the map. You can see that in northern Argentina, we do have some good rain events today. There's also some expectations that we could see more good precipitation Wednesday into Thursday of this week. But, you know, to be honest, looking at this story here about the precipitation events in South America, a little surprising to me that we saw the March contract off 36 cents if that's what was pushing things.
Yeah, absolutely. And, you know, I think really when we're looking at South America, we got to look at both corn and soybeans. I think corn was like more of a story here for precipitation, yet corn didn't move. I really think that this market movement was more a result of the fact that following the USDA report, we were able to rally up. Now, we had another report that was coming out that was expecting to be relatively bullish. Right. That was the NOPA crush numbers. They came out, they were very positive. Now, after that report, what do we have to go forward? You know, what sort of positive, bullish news do we have to carry this market higher? I don't think we saw much. I think the only thing on the horizon is switching sales from the U.S. books to South American books. That's relatively bullish, and now we find ourselves back trading almost at the level prior to the WASDE report.
Yeah, you know, like you said, Cody, really not a big move out of corn today. If we take a look here at the daily March contract, you can see that we're just kind of drifting lower after a good move following the January USDA report. Technically, right now in this chart, it looks like that 420 area is kind of shaping up to be an important price level. Coming into the report, we made a strong move below it. The very bullish report released from the USDA helped propel the market back above it. I wouldn't be surprised if that area 420 was able to hold on March here moving forward. You know, if we remember that USDA report, about 200 million bushels lower in projected ending stocks than what the trader is expecting. I think that's tangible looking at corn. So keep an eye on that 420 mark here moving forward. And precipitation, as you said, in general, Cody, that should be more of a corn story. Right now we do have the Argentinian crop entering pollination, so that's going to continue to drive the corn market. But a very bearish day today in terms of soybeans. We'll have to see what the reaction is tomorrow. Big reports coming down the pipe this week. We have ethanol numbers out tomorrow, and we'll have export sales on Thursday. Tune in to GrainTV. We'll help break it down for you then. Thanks a lot for joining us. We'll see you tomorrow.